My name's Marietta and I'm coming to WA, Perth in fact, on the 27th of July for some education around functional training for group fitness. So I'm passionate about group exercise. It's just the thing that I've always been involved in and it's what I love doing. And the fitness industry is really focused a lot of their attention on personal training. And what I believe is that group exercise can actually have a really big impact because we get large groups of people. So if you're someone that teaches group fitness classes or circuit or any of those functional training formats and you want to get some new muscle conditioning ideas that don't use much weight, so we're just using a dumbbell in the workshop, just one, but you're going to get really good overload and we're using functional training principles, then this is the workshop to come to. So it's $97 and it goes from 1 till 5. So it's on Friday afternoon. Now I know it's an unusual time, but I wanted to play around with a time slot perhaps that wouldn't necessarily commit you to an all-day workshop on a weekend. And we know how precious those weekends are. So that's on the 27th of July. It's in WA. You can book online at mariettamehanni.com. And don't miss out because the last time I ran this workshop, I think it was about 3 years ago. So I don't run them that often just because I've got so many other things I want to teach. So book in and I hope to see you in enrollment soon.